to use Airalo Algeria eSIM properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Airalo's Algeria eSIM is perfect for staying connected while traveling, but beginners often make mistakes that cost time and money. Here's how to use it correctly. The first mistake is skipping device compatibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming any phone works. Your phone must be eSIM enabled and unlocked. Checking this before purchase prevents wasted money. Second mistake, choosing the wrong plan. You won't believe how many users buy plan without considering their data needs. Airalo Algeria offers light, medium, and heavy data plans. Picking the right one ensures you don't run out mid-trip or overpay. Third mistake, improper installation. The surprising truth is that some travelers fail to scan the QR code correctly or forget to activate the eSIM in settings. Always follow the step-by-step guide, including selecting the eSIM line in your phone's network settings. Fourth mistake, ignoring network coverage. Beginners often assume eSIMs work everywhere. While major cities have strong coverage, rural areas may be limited. Checking coverage maps helps you stay connected where it matters most. Finally, neglecting data monitoring is common. Airalo provides usage stats in-app, but many ignore them. Monitoring data prevents unexpected charges and ensures your plan lasts throughout your trip. Using Airalo Algeria eSIM properly means confirming compatibility, selecting the right plan, installing it correctly, understanding coverage limits, and tracking usage. Avoid these beginner mistakes, and you'll enjoy seamless connectivity in Algeria without stress or surprises.